Zoom in on that. Say something. And then it... And you go, oh my god. Oh my god, you're a jumper! Ah! Okay. I'm gonna have to leave or I'll kill you. Dude. It's really hard. It's not working. Because you're me too. Raise your desk. There we go. That. I can't see the bubbles. Okay, faster. Faster, Rose. Oh my god, how did this get on me? Little does Mark know, he's now become Sailor Moon.
Would you like a pencil?
Hold on, I missed it. Okay, ready, start.
Would you like a pencil?
Wait, you're not the evil dude, are you?
What I've just told you to say. Okay, let's go.
By the power of the moon, we will defeat you! Ah!
Blow some bubbles, Rose.
Ah! Wait a second. My mother used to blow bubbles. Are you my mother?
Okay.
Look.
Wait just 1 second, evil goo.
Little does Mark or Sailor Moon know that by destroying the radioactive waste, she gets rid of her powers.
No!
No!